warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mustaqimah. I'm from class 2A Biology. In this video, I was given an assignment by Miss Aya about reading activities to find specific information. The information that I want to know is why yawning is contagious, or what factor can make yawning is contagious. This is why I use journal from Bartholomew and Shirley 2014. My theme in this video is spontaneous yawning. Before searching for that specific information that I want to know, here I explain a little about spontaneous yawning. Spontaneous yawning, which occur more frequently when one is bored, tired, is a deeply rooted phylogenetic trait that is widespread among vertebrates. In contrast, contagious yawning, which can be triggered in response to hearing, seeing, reading, or thinking about yawning, has only been definitively demonstrated in humans and chimpanzees. The ability to yawn spontaneously began in humans in utero by 20 weeks of gestation. But contagious yawning does not really develop in humans or chimps until childhood. Bartholomew and Shirley has assessed the impact of multiple factors on contagious yawning susceptibility in a group of 328 LT. This result revealed that variables like empathy, tiredness, and circadian preference have a little effect on contagious yawning susceptibility, and that the contagious yawning response of individual is stable over a 2-month period. Whether they are tested in the lab or offset via an online test, the result demonstrate that the age of the participant was the only variable with a significant influence on whether or not they yawned. This association was not simply the result of the wide range of age assessed here, even when retraction to participant aged below 40 age was still the only significant predictor of susceptibility to contagious yawning, leaving the majority of variation explained by unknown factor. Interestingly, a reduction in yawning frequency has been previously demonstrated in aged individuals, though never previously in contagious contexts. When searching for specific information that I want to know, I first read the abstract in that journal. The author wants to show that contagious yawning, one of the factors that make yawning is age, while other factors do not make yawning too much. Participants were less likely to show contagious yawning as their age increased, even when retraction to age of less than 40 years. However, age was only able to explain X% of the variability in the contagious yawn response. The vast majority of the variability in this extremely stable trait remained unexplained, suggesting that study of its inheritance are warranted. So, is that specific information that I want to know? Why yawning is contagious, or what factor can make yawning contagious? The factor of make yawning contagious is age. From that journal, Bartholomew and Shirley. Today I wanna hear my video. Goodbye and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.